Hey everybody, good morning. Hopefully everybody's doing well. It is Marla and you can tell I am in my robe. This is going to be a skincare video. I always do my skincare. I try to at least do my skincare videos in my robe because normally when I first wake up in the morning, that's when I do my skincare before I get dressed. This is a new product. This product was sent to me from this company. I think it's called Fiera. Never, as I always say, so many companies that I've never heard of before. It is an apple stem cell cream. It is a nice, really thick, which I love if you know me. Super thick, rich cream. You can see how thick it is. Yeah. Some of the active ingredients in this product are Swiss apple stem cells, hyaluronic acid, which is a great ingredient when it comes to hydrating your skin, sea buckthorn oil. Now, sea buckthorn oil is something I used to put on my scalp, but I think sea buckthorn oil is also quite good for your skin. And then it also contains a vitamin E. And this is, again, the claims on this are it is a skin tightening face cream that also is a wonderful moisturizer. Great job of smoothing out your skin, making the texture of your skin look prettier. It also helps with under eye dark circles by making the area under your eye look more radiant, and it helps improve dark spots. Now, what they say about these Swiss apple stem cells are these are plant-based apple stem cells. Swiss apple stem cells are supposed to be scientifically proven to help to promote skin cell regeneration. So they will help correct existing signs of aging you have on your face while at the same time delaying further damage to your skin. They say it's specifically formulated for over 40-year-old skin because that's when your skin starts going kind of downhill a little bit from all the sun exposure and everything else you've done in your life. Let's take a look at this cream up close on my skin. I'm going to tell you a little bit how I feel about it, and also you can see how it absorbs into my skin. Now, this product is made in the United States. It's a non-GMO product. I believe it's paraben-free, fragrance-free. It's very gentle on the skin, and I believe it's also cruelty-free. So let me put some of this on my skin for you so you can see the consistency of it. Their claims are that it is a science-backed cream that is going to melt away wrinkles and aging on your face and also provide some skin tightening. It feels really good going on, I must admit. And I looked up the reviews of this. I normally don't look at the reviews on the company's own website because you're never sure about those, but I did look up the reviews of this on Amazon. So people seem to really like this cream. It does feel really nice going on, and I'm going to pull my skin back. It definitely makes my skin texture look really pretty, nice and smooth. They talk about this as being a 3-in-1 product because it acts like a moisturizer. So it's going to give you a lot of moisture to your skin, which it does. And I would definitely put this under makeup. It's not sticky. It dries down. It feels really nice on the skin. I mean, it makes your skin look really nice. I don't know about the claims of it actually lifting up the skin. It is supposed to make your skin look more radiant, and it gets absorbed beautifully into the skin and makes your skin texture, I think, look more improved even just with one application. It actually plumps the skin just a touch. I believe this is fragrance free. It also contains all natural oils and antioxidants to help fade dark spots. It helps to brighten your under eye area, which it does. Very nice. And it's supposed to be very gentle. You know my skincare routine. I use full strength Retin A every other day. You can see my skin is not dry at all. I have no flakiness on my skin, and I live in a dry climate. I am really big on using products that help to moisturize my skin. It's not going to give you a facelift. What cream is really going to give you a facelift? Not even Retin A is going to give you really a facelift, but it's a very, very nice moisturizing cream. Can't say anything bad about it because it does do a great job of hydrating my skin. Wanted to let you know about this company. I'm not sure if anybody's ever heard of it before or if anybody's tried this product before. The name of it is Fiera Apple Stem Cell Cream. I will leave a link to this down in my description box in case you want to check it out. Take care, guys. I hope you enjoyed this drive-by review. Bye-bye from Marla.